Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel, and you already know what time it is. It is a Boxycharm unboxing. Like always, Boxycharm gifts me with 5 full price items. You too can receive 5 full price items monthly for $25 a month. So let's get right into this video. We have Saturday Skin. Now, let me tell you, because I already opened this box, I had a little sneak peek because I was impatient this time. I was so excited, I couldn't wait. And I did try this out for you guys. But I know last time in the box, it was a deep sweep toner that I didn't get a chance to, review prior to doing the video. So this time I opened the box and I did this. I used this for an entire week. This is the packaging. It is the Saturday Skin Vitamin C Sleep Mask. And for me, like, skincare is a big thing for me. Sleep mask is so easy. Put it on at night, go to sleep, boom, wake up, and my face was glowing. And I kid you not, it was. So I love this. You can use it 3 to 5 times a week. I used it 5 days, like I used it Monday through Friday. And it's a lightweight mask that works while you sleep to deliver moisture while targeting the look of aging, dullness, pores, stress, and texture. It's a jelly texture mask that is crafted with YUZU fruit. It smells like oranges though. Any citrus fruit, that's what it smells like. And which contains 3 times more vitamin C than any other citrus. So I love vitamin C. Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen. But it comes with this little spatula thing, and it gets tucked underneath there, and you can either apply it with this. I sometimes apply it with my hands, but this is how it looks inside. And I wasn't lying, like I used a lot already. It's not even full, so I did use it. But it smells good, you guys, so definitely buy that. The price for this is $29. So next up is TRESTIQUE, this eye duo Good Vibes mascara and eye pencil. So it's an eye-opening duo for gorgeously defined eyes. A Good Vibes mascara is the first mascara to combine a lash curler. See, I've never used lash curlers before. I got scared because I had went to the store and I picked it up. Somebody said, "Are those your real eyelashes?" And I was like, "Yeah." They were like, "Well, don't use that because they will pull them out." But I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Maybe they were right, maybe they weren't. I just never tried an eyelash curler, but I will today. And it says that the eye pencil is formulated for sensitive eyes, features a luxurious, versatile gel formula, and the pencil glides on like liquid, but provides pencil precision. So I'm excited to use this. And the price for this is $44. And I will do makeup tutorial after, but I just want to show you all the products first. The next up in this box is this eye and face palette by Wander Beauty. It's your go-to palette for the perfect getaway, featuring 6 highly pigmented shadows and a blush. So let's see. Oh, so it comes with shadows, a blush, and a highlighter. Enriched with a blend of hyaluronic acid and mango sea butter. I love anything mango. It says the mango sea butter helps to hydrate skin while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Oh my God, I'm struggling over here. Whew. I only got this box open. Packaging is cute. And these are the colors. The price for this is $36. Next up is this eye brush collection. It's giving me Valentine's Day vibes. This is a cute pouch. Alright. Ooh. Let me take these all out of the packaging. When I tell you, like, this is Christmas, like, I will never get tired of these boxes. Never. Alright. And, like, and if you can see, it has little hearts in it. It's so cute. So this is by GLAMIERRE, and the price for this is $29.95. Last but not least, and I love to see it, this is a black owned product. It is by St. Luxe Beauty. It's a limited edition liner duo. It's a lip liner duo that makes the lip shaping easier than ever with a creamy, long-lasting, and hydrating formula. Let me open it and see what colors I have. Ooh, I'm gonna do some swatches for you guys. So I have Love Letter and Secret Admirer. So I'm gonna do Secret Admirer first. That's pretty. And then I'm gonna do Love Letter. Ooh, I like that one too. I like them both. These are nice. So the price for this is $40. Now that you've seen all the products, I'm gonna do a try on for you guys. So stay tuned. Oh, look at this. So it says flip down a curl. So let's see. I'm scared. You have to do small sections at a time because it's not that big. But I don't know if I'm doing anything. I feel like I just pinched my skin. I'm no good at these things. I definitely pinched my skin again. All right. I think that's cute though because it's a lash curler and a mascara all in one product. So that's cute. And then this is the eye pencil. So let's see. I like that. Glides on so easily. You know me, I wouldn't be me without a little eyeliner. This is in the color Santorini Black Sand. And last but not least, we love to see it. I am gonna go in with, not Love Letter, but Secret Admirer. So. This is old, like a NYX lingerie in the color Ruffled Trim. So that wraps up this month's Boxycharm unboxing. Thank you all for 900 subscribers. We're almost at 1K. Yay! So it's been a year on YouTube. So I just again want to thank you all for supporting me throughout the year. So thank you all so much. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks again for watching. See you soon. Bye.